The future everyone feared isn't a robot uprising. It's the quiet extinction of the working class. Not by rebellion, but by design. Billion-dollar corporations aren't building machines to free humanity. They're building them to cut costs. To replace the loyal, the skilled, the ordinary people who kept the world turning. From warehouses to cafes, from drivers to designers. Every upgrade comes with a layoff. Every line of code is a termination of employment notice waiting to be delivered. The rich call it innovation. The rest call it mass unemployment. When machines don't get tired, don't strike, don't take a day off, and don't ask for fair pay, the human workforce becomes an inconvenience to the corporations. And while politicians speak of retraining, no one explains how to retrain 50-year-old hands that once held precision tools, not tablets. How are they going to learn new tech skills now? In the Gynoid Diaries, we ask, what happens when we give machines our faces, our gestures, our voices, but take away the livelihoods of those they resemble? A gynoid doesn't dream of stealing your job, but she's built by those who dream of never having to pay your wage again. Maybe the apocalypse won't come with fire and war, but with silence, the hum of perfect efficiency, and a billion empty wallets. Because progress without empathy isn't progress at all. So what do you all think? Do you think your job will be safe in the coming years? Let us know in the comments below.